De Montfort University has two sites in Leicester. We have in the region of 20,000 students and around 3,500 staff. We have 5 faculties offering a broad range of vocational studies, but also backed up by quite a lot of research as well. We had an in-house system that we developed, which was what we called our QA system, which was an access database which was designed to try and control the quality issues around designing a new curriculum. What we wanted was to move towards a fully integrated version of that with our student record system. We mentioned this to Agresso that we had such a bit of software that was handling our QA side of the curriculum. And Agresso were very interested because there's nothing else like it out in the marketplace. Agresso used our market intelligence, worked with us to understand what an academic database should do, such that once it was signed off, it could then be a live course, and then that would automatically roll through to our student record system.
Manchester Metropolitan University is a post-92 university. Since then, through natural growth, acquisitions and mergers, that's now grown to 34,000 students. It offers over 1,300 courses, and about 20% of the students are pursuing postgraduate courses. So through Academic Programme Database, we saw there a really important mechanism that would allow us to establish for the future, in a very rigorous way, new course developments that we would bring online, that we would have tested in the market, that we would have rigorously approved from an academic standards point of view.
We have approximately 11,000 students, good mix of full-time, part-time, undergraduate, postgraduate, and a large overseas community as well. The way we used to manage our academic administration was a manual process. Lots of paper shuffling, spreadsheets monitoring where our course content was. Since implementing ADS, it's been a godsend really to us. It's controlled the way we keep all the data in one place. We've got standard formats, we've got approval processes which are all documented in a full audit history. Everything is version controlled. Each new academic year we'll get a new version of the course provisions, the module provisions. We generate program specifications which are version controlled, module specifications.
We have something like 1,300 courses running with something like 6,000 units sitting under them, and so keeping a close handle on all of that is very important. And so Academic Programme Database was seen as the mechanism where we could both create a spine of all of our current courses, but then roll that onto the future and use it really as the control mechanism that would release new courses back into our existing portfolio.
By using the academic database, it imposes processes and procedures across the organisation for managing the design, the concept, the build, the approval process of anything that's going to go into our standard curriculum. It's a way of tracking any changes to the curriculum, which was difficult to do beforehand on bits of paper.
In the future, we're going to implement the ADS workflow, which will hopefully devolve the information back out to the academics so that they can start drafting their own specifications.
We saw the benefits of integration that would be available to us by having the same vendor producing both the student set, if you like, and the curriculum set. And it was largely that drove us to adopting the Agresso solution.
Since having the academic database, it has generated a lot of interest amongst the user community. Once they've seen the application, they see what we're doing with it and the controls and the processes that can be imposed to help the university manage this side of the business. They get very excited about what they've seen. The feedback that we've had is that there is nothing else out there in the marketplace that provides such a facility for allowing universities to manage or give them a quality control process around the curriculum design.
I think Agresso are strong in the HE sector. They have a strong presence, they have a wide product suite, and they've got an ever-widening client base.